Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team Skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, we haven't claimed our items yet, there's a lot, so let's just claim them all right now. A lot. You've hit your item limit, so some items weren't claimed. I see. Okay, that's okay. We'll do it later. Explore, events, single player, story event, the story or the strongest there is. This is Unite with Steven round 1. We have our characters locked at level 50. Barry, Steven, and Pikachu. Or ourselves rather. Let's battle. Level 50, guys.
Alright, let's go.
The best there is, jump start, no hesitation. So before the gauge fills up, let's just use Iron Head. And one more jump start. Probably one more no hesitation. Or let's just use full heal on Steven since he's burned. So one more Iron Head. I don't know who to use Thunderbolt on. Let's just use a Thunder Shock and a Bubble Beam on this guy. One more best there is, so that our next attack will be critical. And good, he's paralyzed. Let's just attack this one. And one more no hesitation. Let's just use a sync move against that Granbull. And a normal Thunder Shock.
That's why I like you so much. Alright.
Awesome. Bubble. We have quick attacks. We'll use Bullet Punch. We'll use Thunder Shock on whoever. One more bubble. Using Bullet Punch, maximizing that.
Look at my Pokemon. Got it.
No chance for you to use your sync move.
Go for it.
You're still alive. Oh no. And one last Bullet Punch. Boom. Not sure if that's gonna be enough. It's not enough. And that's it, guys. And that's it. That was Unite with Steven round 1. We won. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. Happy Hearts Day, guys. I'll see you guys with Unite with Steven round 2 in the next video.